Hello everyone. Welcome back to AIO Education. Today, we are diving into another awesome cardboard DIY project. Get ready, because we are making our very own mini foosball table out of cardboard. This is a super fun game you can make right at home with just a few materials. And, of course, we'll be wrapping up with an epic mini foosball match, so stick around. Materials. Alright, here's what you'll need for this project. A medium or large cardboard box. Wooden skewers or sticks. Colored markers or paint for decoration. Scissors or a box cutter. If you are young, be sure to have an adult with you. Tape and glue. A ruler. And, of course, a small ball for playing, like a marble, ping pong ball, or even rolled up piece of paper. Step 8. Preparing the box. First, let's get our foosball table ready. Take your cardboard box and lay it on its side, so it resembles an open arena. Then, trim down the sides if you want it to be a bit shorter. This helps us see the players in action better. Step 2. Making the goals. Next, we need goals. Cut a small rectangle on each side of the box, just big enough for our mini ball to roll through. Make sure both goals are about the same size so the game stays fair. Step 10. Marking player positions. Now let's mark where our players will go. Grab your ruler and make small marks for the players. Each team will have 2 rows of players, 1 row near each goal for defense, and 1 near the center for offense. This setup will give us a nice balance and lots of action. Step 4. Adding sticks and players. Alright, now it's time to add our players. Take a skewer or stick and carefully push it through one side of the box and out the other, right where we marked earlier. Then, we'll attach our cardboard players to each stick. I've already cut out these little cardboard pieces to use as players. I'm adding some color to each player so we can tell the teams apart. One team is blue, and the other is red. Attach each player securely to the stick, but make sure they can still move freely when you turn the stick. Step 5. Adding the ball and testing the game. Alright, our DIY foosball table is ready. Grab your mini ball and drop it in the center. Twist and turn the sticks to make the players move and try to score goals against each other. Look at that, it works. The players spin just like in a real foosball table. Let's get a quick match going to test it out. Gameplay with friends. Alright, I've got friend's name here with me, and it's game time. Let's see who's the ultimate foosball champ. Goal. Looks like Team Blue is off to a strong start. Can Team Red make a comeback? Outro. And there you have it, our very own DIY foosball table made from cardboard. This project was a blast, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AIO Education if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our awesome cardboard DIYs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.